वेलकम फ्रेंड्स टू येट अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ पारसुंडा वीलॉग्स। और आज मैं आपको कुछ ऐसा दिखाने वाला हूं जिसे देखकर आप भौचक्के रह जाएंगे, आपकी आंखें फटी की फटी रह जाएंगी और आप सोच नहीं सकते कि ये आप देख रहे हैं मेरे पीछे एक उखड़ी पिटी कटी पिटी सी बोलेरो खड़ी है। ये बोलेरो है महिंद्रा की और बहुत ही शांत, बहुत ही प्यारे स्वभाव से ये गाड़ी पूरी तरह से रिप ऑफ होकर खड़ी है ग्रीन आर्मी मोटरस्पोर्ट्स में। बट अब इसका क्या बन सकता है वो मैं आपको बताने वाला हूं, क्योंकि आप जब देखेंगे इसका क्या बन सकता है तो लिटरली मैं भी शॉक्ड हो गया और अब आप भी शॉक होंगे, बिकॉज दिस इज पारसुंडा वीलॉग्स एंड वी गोना अनकवर टुडे द बिगेस्ट, द मैसीएस्ट, द बीस्टीस्ट, one and only, the biggest Jeep in the world, which is a Hulk of all these Jeeps. So I'm going to take you to have a look on the biggest, the massiest, the beastest, the Hulk of the machines till the day you have seen अभी तक जितनी भी आपने मेरी गाड़ियां देखी हैं उनमें सबसे बड़ा Hulk of this machine. Guys, here we go. 1, 2, 3, and here we have the Hulk itself, which we call the Gladiator. It's the widest, the biggest Jeep in the entire world. It's a beautiful monster being created at Green Army Motorsports, from a Bolero camper to Wrangler Gladiator pickup vehicle. You can see the beautiful lights. You can see the structure over here. You can see this ARB steel bumper, which has a beautiful finish, a very raw look. The fog lights, the winch is mounted inside. Then we have this beautiful light. Well, इस lights के बारे में मत पूछना मुझसे, because ये बहुत expensive lights हैं, बहुत expensive. और इस lights में मतलब मेरी body, half body आ जाए बोलेरो की. And then we have this beautiful Angry Bird look on this beast. Then you can see this hump on the bonnet with hood latches, beautiful red color with these beautiful lights, and then we have Hummer lights on the top, beautiful side mirrors of Wrangler, and the amazing thing is कि इसका जो footstep है ये अपने आप बंद होता है, सेंसर ऑपरेटेड है। जैसे ही आप दरवाजा खोलेंगे ये खुलेगा और जैसे ही आप दरवाजा बंद करेंगे ये बंद हो जाएगा। एंड देन वी हैव दीज बिग मैसी टायर्स which are basically 38 inches Hulk tires fitted on again 16 inches of alloys. Beautiful fuel tank cover, amazing Wrangler lights. You can see these beautiful lights over here. I'll go crazy for this. Amazing that there's a pulley to pull anything. This beast can pull anything, and I'll show you. This is crazy. Wow. So you have a bar. You can drink over here. You can have your mocktails, cocktails, family barbecues, lunches, dinners, off-roading, camping. So this is crazy. और एक छोटी सी झलक अंदर की दिखाता हूं, छोटी सी, फिर इंटीरियर्स में लेके जाएंगे। इट्स अ फुल कॉकपिट इनसाइड, फुल कॉकपिट विद 3 screens, 1 Tesla screen in between, 2 side screens. अमेजिंग। और अगर मैं इसके बटन्स की बात करूं तो सच में कॉकपिट वाले फंक्शंस हैं इसमें सारे। ब्यूटिफुल। What a plush interior, what features. I can die for it. This is one of the piece being created at Green Army Motorsports. It is their cell phone model. You can see the look at the speakers, how the way they have mounted the speakers, and look at the seats behind. They're so comfy, so comfortable seats. Amazing. And then we have a sunroof cover. Now, a very special feature in this. Well, these side mirrors have cameras. Front cameras, rear cameras with screens inside, push button start, and wow, rear lights. This is crazy, man. This is crazy. Can you look at these beautiful, colorful buttons over here? ये actually ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे कोई आप plane उड़ाने वाले हैं। Look at the pedals. Amazing. Wow, beautiful. This is massive. This is massive. Kalsi ji, come here. ऊपर चढ़िए. This is actually a dream come true for any motorsport enthusiast in the world. This is the best pickup truck one can have, and I can die for it. It's a beautiful red color beast which has, मेरे को तो लगता है जैमर्स लगा रखे हैं इन्होंने ताकि अंदर कोई नेटवर्क ना आ सके. And the toughened glass, you can see how it is mounted, beautifully mounted. Oh, I love it. I love it. I want this. I seriously want this. I want this. So, driving this is going to be an amazing experience. It's a pleasure to drive this beast. और अगर आप सोच रहे हो कि ये बहुत हैवी होने वाला है तो इतना हैवी नहीं है. यही खासियत है. This is the speciality of Mr. Sanjay Khanna, that he makes these things very comfy, very comfortable to drive. Driving pleasure is amazing, comfort is amazing, and you find so many features. So you can see a very stock Bolero can be converted into a beast like this. So guys, that's why we call it the very amazing vlogs, Paras Sunda vlogs. Keep in space, keep on subscribing, keep on commenting, liking and sharing, because there's many more to come, many more to come. And I'm going to show you amazing vehicles like this. Till then, I am saying goodbye. और आप थोड़ा सा जलते रहिए, because मैं इसको चलाने वाला हूँ और मुझे चलाने में इसको बहुत मजा आने वाला है. So, see you soon.